Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I am Zac.
Hello, Zac. Hi, everyone. I'm Zoe. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you, Zoe. How about you?
I'm good too. A little sleepy, maybe. I drink coffee, but it is not working yet.
Yes, coffee takes time. Sometimes it helps, sometimes it just makes me want more coffee.
That is very true. So, hello, everyone. Thank you for being here with us again.
Yes, thank you so much. We are happy you are listening.
And before we start today, we want to say something important.
Yes, if you like this podcast, please subscribe to English Podcast channel and click the like button. It helps us a lot.
Yes, it really helps us grow and reach more people who want to learn English.
And please share this episode with your friends who are learning English too.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate your support.
Okay, now we can start. Zac, how has your week been?
My week has been okay. I worked a lot. I stayed home a lot too.
Oh, really? Why did you stay home?
Well, honestly, I felt a little shy this week. I did not want to go out much.
Oh, that's interesting.
Yes, sometimes I feel nervous around people.
That sounds like something many people feel.
Yes.
And that is actually our topic today.
Yes, today we are talking about how to talk about social anxiety in English.
That's right.
And this is a very important topic.
Yes, because many people feel social anxiety, but they do not know how to talk about it.
Or they feel shy to talk about it.
Yes, or they do not know the words in English.
Exactly.
So today, we will help you learn simple English to talk about social anxiety.
And we will do it in a slow, simple, friendly way.
Just like two friends talking.
Yes.
So Zoe, first, what is social anxiety?
Good question. Social anxiety means feeling very nervous or scared when you are with people.
Yes, especially in social situations.
Like parties, meetings, talking to strangers, or speaking in front of others.
Yes, or even simple things like ordering food or making a phone call.
Exactly.
So, if you feel your heart beat fast, your hands sweat, your face get hot,
Or you feel like you want to escape.
that can be social anxiety.
Yes.
Zoe, have you ever felt social anxiety?
Yes, many times.
Really?
Yes, especially when I was younger.
What happened?
When I was in school, I was very shy.
Me too.
I was scared to raise my hand in class.
Same here.
Even if I knew the answer, I stayed quiet.
Yes, I remember that feeling.
My heart would beat fast and my voice would shake.
Yes, that shaking voice.
And I was afraid people would laugh at me.
Yes, fear of judgment.
Exactly.
That is a big part of social anxiety.
Yes, fear that people are judging you or thinking bad things about you.
Or that you will make a mistake.
Or say something wrong.
Or look silly.
Yes.
So now, let us learn how to talk about this in simple English.
Yes. First, you can say, I feel nervous around people.
Yes, that is a very simple and clear sentence.
I feel nervous around people.
Or, I feel shy in social situations.
Yes.
Social situations mean situations with other people.
Like parties, meetings, classes, or gatherings.
Yes.
Now, another simple sentence is, I have social anxiety.
Yes, that is direct and clear.
But some people feel shy to say that.
So, you can say softer things.
Like, I get very nervous when I meet new people.
That is good.
Or, I feel uncomfortable in big groups.
Yes.
Uncomfortable means not relaxed, not at ease.
Right.
Or, I feel stressed when I have to talk in front of others.
That is also very common.
Yes.
So these are good basic sentences.
Now, let's talk about how to explain what you feel.
Yes.
You can say, my heart beats fast.
Or my hands get sweaty.
Or, my face feels hot.
Or my mind goes blank.
Yes, that's a good one. My mind goes blank means you can't think.
Yes, everything disappears.
That happens to me sometimes,
Me too.
especially when someone asks me a question suddenly.
Yes, your brain just says goodbye.
Haha, yes.
So you can say, when I'm nervous, my mind goes blank.
That's very natural.
You can also say, I overthink what I will say.
Yes.
Overthink means think too much.
And that makes anxiety worse.
Yes.
So, I overthink my words, or I overthink what people think about me.
Good sentences. Now, Zac, how do you feel when you are socially anxious? I feel like I want to hide.
Hide?
Yes, like go to a quiet corner or look at my phone.
Yes, that's very common.
So I can say I want to avoid people.
Yes, avoid means try not to meet or face.
Or I cancel plans because I feel anxious.
Yes,
Or I stay home because I feel nervous about going out.
that's very honest.
Yes.
And it's okay to feel that way.
Yes, many people feel it.
You are not alone.
Exactly. Now, let's practice a small conversation.
Okay?
Imagine I'm your friend and I ask you why you didn't come to the party yesterday. Okay?
Hey, Zac, why didn't you come to the party yesterday?
Oh, I'm sorry. I felt very nervous in big groups, so I stayed home.
That's perfect.
Thank you.
Or you can say, I had some social anxiety.
Yes.
Or I was not feeling comfortable.
Simple and polite. Now, let's talk about asking for understanding.
Yes, that's important.
You can say, I hope you understand.
Or thank you for understanding.
Or, please be patient with me.
That's very good.
Please be patient with me. I'm working on it.
That sounds kind and hopeful.
Yes. Now, let's talk about what helps.
Yes, coping strategies.
But we will say it in simple English.
Yes.
You can say, I'm trying to practice.
Or I'm trying to talk to more people slowly.
Or, I'm taking small steps.
That's very nice.
Small steps means little progress.
Yes.
You can say, I'm learning to be kinder to myself.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Thank you.
That's very important.
Yes. Now, let's talk about when to use these sentences.
Okay.
You can use them with friends, coworkers, teachers, or even doctors.
Yes.
But you don't have to tell everyone.
No. Only people you trust.
Yes, trust is important.
Very.
Now, let's share a personal story.
Okay.
I remember once I had to give a presentation at work.
Oh no.
Yes, oh no.
Yes.
My hands were shaking, my voice was shaking too.
Poor you.
I felt like everyone was looking at me.
Yes, that feeling.
But after it was done, people said I did a good job.
Really?
Yes.
That's great.
And I learned that my fear was bigger than the real problem.
That's a great lesson.
Yes.
I had a similar story.
Tell me.
I was invited to a dinner with people I didn't know.
Scary.
Yes, I almost canceled.
But you went.
Yes, I went.
Brave.
I was quiet at first, but later I relaxed.
And?
It was actually nice.
That's wonderful.
And I felt proud of myself.
You should.
Thank you.
So, listeners, if you feel social anxiety, you are not weak.
You are human.
And you're learning.
And that's something to be proud of.
Yes. Now let's give some example sentences slowly.
Okay.
Repeat after me.
I feel nervous around people.
I feel shy in social situations.
I get anxious in big groups.
My heart beats fast when I talk to strangers.
My mind goes blank when I'm nervous.
I am working on it.
Please be patient with me.
Thank you for understanding.
Very good.
Now let's talk about vocabulary.
Okay. Nervous means worried or scared.
Shy means quiet and not confident.
Anxious means very nervous.
Avoid means try not to do or face something.
Comfortable means relaxed and calm.
Uncomfortable means not relaxed.
Overthink means think too much.
Blank means empty, no thoughts.
Great.
Now let's slowly end.
Yes.
Today, we talked about how to talk about social anxiety in English.
We shared simple words, sentences, and stories.
And we hope it helped you.
Remember, you are not alone,
Many people feel this way.
and you can learn to manage it step by step.
Small steps are still steps.
Yes.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for being here with us.
Take care of yourself.
Be kind to yourself.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.